find the angle of AC, line AC makes with the plane CDEF. So this is our line AC, and the plane with the shades CDF with the green, yellow. So the tips for finding angle between the line AC and the plane CDF is, if we observe the line AC and the plane CDEF, the point C is already located on the plane and A is still not in the plane, so we have to project the point A in line AC to this plane CDEF. How do we drop that? So we project A towards this plane that is perpendicular projection. So like we are looking this point from up and then it go to here. So point A is projected perpendicular to plane CDEF, now into here. Now this is the projected line of AC, now it becomes EC. Okay, this is the projected line of AC, now become EC. Now we already know that this is also a right angle triangle, as we take a perpendicular line. This yellow line is perpendicular towards the plane CDEF. So now if this is a right angle triangle, so the angle that we are finding is between the original line AC and the projected line EC. This is the angle that we are finding. Now the trick for this is the original line is always become the hypotenuse, projected line is adjacent, and the perpendicular line towards the plane CDEF is always the opposite side of this right angle triangle. So then we can count the angle. So this is the note. Original line is always hypotenuse, projected line is here, EC is always adjacent, and perpendicular line to the plane is always the opposite side. So we are finding the angle between original line AC and the projected line EC. So then we draw the triangle and move this triangle AEC to here, and we have the theta in here. So the theta is, because we already know the AE is from the question 6 cm, and EC is from the 9 squared plus 5 squared, square root of 9 squared plus 5 squared. So we just take tan theta is equals to TOA, opposite, over adjacent. So the opposite is always the perpendicular line, and the adjacent is always the projected line. So perpendicular line over projected line. So theta is equals to tan inverse of 6 over square root of 9 squared plus 5 squared, that's 30.2 degrees. So that is the theta